Okay, so in this video we'll be talking about the sliding window technique. It's a very good technique. What it means is that there will be a sliding window, obviously, that will be iterating through your data structure and giving you optimal results with optimal time complexity. Okay, it's basically a technique that is used to uh, solve the problems that involve sub-arrays, substrings, or a kind of window. Okay, we just, instead of reiterating over a specific set of data, we just create a window, save that specific detail that we want, and then we move on to the next. Okay, we'll just, for example, give it 215,437. Okay, and this initially what it does is that it will start. Let's say that we have a question. Let's begin with taking an example that for example, we have window size given to us. Okay, when is this given? This is an example of a sliding window that is of fixed window size. Okay, so the example that we can take is maximum of sub array of size k. Okay, if the size is given, that means it's a fixed window size. And what we need to find is, we need to find the max sum of sub array. So we need to check which of the sub arrays in this array will contain the maximum sum. Okay, so now let's talk about a window size. So let's say that the size k is given to us as 3. Okay, if k is given to us as 3, that means that this will be our first window size, and the sum for it will be 8. Okay, now once we are done with this, we'll go on and move to the next window. This is our next window, 5, 4 and 1. Now this becomes 10. Okay, we'll keep on saving these and the maximum of whatever we are getting. So out of these two, we have the maximum as 10. Okay, next we'll iterate over the next 3, which is the window size. Okay, this gives us the sum 12, and now the 12 is the maximum sum. Now we'll move to the next window size, next window, that is 4, 3 and 7. Okay, that gives us 14. So this is the biggest sum. Now if you want, your question asks you that you need to return the maximum sum, right? If it wants you to return maximum sum, you can return 14. If it wants you to return the sub array index, you can return the last one, which is our right and left that we are pointing to at that point, right? You can return the indexes. Okay, so this is more or less the basics of a fixed sliding window, and we can solve most of the problems that involve sub arrays and taking out the max min and things like that of a specific sub array that is given with a fixed size. Okay, let's add to it as fixed sliding window.